Hey Sebastian, I spoke with Juan earlier. This is Scott Walker with Impact Lane SEO. I am trying to help local auto glass companies steal leads from Safelite and other local competition. And I am making this video to show you how I've been helping other auto glass companies do that. And if you like what you see, awesome. If you don't, no harm, no foul. And if you do like what you see, we could set up a discovery call and we could go from there. But usually I start with your website and then I go over Google Ads and then Google Business Profiles. So first off, I love the professionalness and the images that you guys have for your website. But one thing I do recommend is to have more content. The reason I say that is because Google loves to see content. They want to see 1,500 to 2,000 words on your homepage. And throughout that content, you want to be found for buyer intent keywords. And to me, a buyer intent keyword is something that has a location and a service. So like windshield replacement, Colorado Springs would be a great one. And then also, if you save your images correctly, instead of it saying 710 435W, that could be the meta description could be, windshield replacement, Colorado Springs, kind of like that right there. So it looks like, okay, I guess it is working. Maybe something's going wrong with mine, but those count as content behind there as well. So right here is a third-party tool that I use. The DR and UR is the strength and trust that Google has for your website. These are on a scale of 100, and you want those continuously moving up while also balanced. You're currently at 0.10 and 5 for the domain and URL rating, and those come from your referring pages and domains. And what those are backlinks. And if you don't know what a backlink is, it's when one website links to another website via clickable button or text. But not all backlinks are created equal, so you do want to stay relevant to your industry and your location whenever possible. And it looks like you're being indexed for 230 words, and you're getting almost 300 people to your website each month, which is really awesome. And it looks like windshield replacement Colorado Springs is almost to the top, so that's really awesome. It looks like you guys are doing really well with a lot of these different keywords, but like, window tint Colorado Springs, there's 800 searches. You're working your way up, so it looks like you're doing very good things with your website, so that might not be the biggest problem that you need help with. But right here I did just windshield replacement, that same search, and it looks like Glass Doctor, Performance Auto Glass US, and Safelite are the ones running ads right now. And it looks like, windshield replacement Colorado Springs, what you want to see in this ad is windshield replacement. This just says replacement. It says auto glass. This says windshields Colorado Springs. So if you have that search term in the ad itself somewhere, and then also a location somewhere, that's the best way to have a good click-through rate. Once you get them to your website, you want to have a landing page where the top is click to call. They'll have a form submit, what you do, where you do it, and then possibly any promotions that you might be running. And then the background imagery should be corresponding to whatever you're working on. Windshield replacement, tinting, have different pictures for different landing pages. And that's how you have a good conversion rate. So, and then it looks like, I just did windshield auto glass and window tint for just Colorado Springs. For windshield replacement, without any location, there's over 1,000 searches a month. Window tinting, there's over 800. Auto tint, vehicle tint, windshield tinting, like all of those, I would say are great buyer intent keywords for you. So if you wanted to run Google Ads to get in front of these guys, auto glass replacement, I think between each of them, there's about 3,000 searches for windshield replacement or auto glass replacement, and then also for tinting. So those are great ways to get in front of more people, being up on the very top of the search results. And then your Google Business Profile right here. It doesn't look like you guys are here right now, which is fine. The best way to rank in the Google Business Profile is to make sure your name, address, and phone number are the exact same all across the internet, so you don't mislead Google. And then getting as many reviews as possible. There's a trick I know that helps get good reviews. I'll share that with you later. And then making sure your name, address, and phone number are in different directories, like Yellow Pages and Yelp, because Google's a big popularity contest, and by giving out your information to as many people as possible, Google will start to trust you more, and that's not just in your local area, but in your surrounding areas as well. And then being in the ads and the GBP, about 70% of traffic stop right here. And then this comes your website right here. So it looks like a Better Windshield is the number one competitor for you here. And looking at their website, they don't have too much content on their website either. So by having the more content with those buyer intent keywords, the authoritative content or backlinks and citations, you could start to outrank your competitors. And just looking here, I mean, just these two keywords, windshield replacement Colorado Springs, window tint Colorado Springs, there's 2,000 searches a month just for those two. So when you're outranking them, a percentage of these total volumes will go to your website instead of your competition. And then a percentage of the people going to your website will give you a call, and depending on your closing rate, will turn into a customer for you. So Sebastian, I really hope that this is beneficial for you and your company. Like I said, if you like what you see, let's set up a discovery call, and if not, no harm, no foul, and you have a wonderful day. Have a good one.